In this video, we're going to learn how to turn on and off waveform display, which means showing or hiding the visual representation of audio inside your timeline. Waveforms help you see where dialogue starts, where sound peaks, and where silence happens. This makes editing much easier, especially when working with voiceovers or interviews. Let's start. Go to your timeline panel. In the timeline panel, click on the wrench icon, which opens the timeline display settings. From the drop-down menu, look for the option called Show Audio Waveform. Depending on your layout, make sure Show Audio Waveform is enabled. As soon as you enable it, you'll see the waveform patterns appear inside your audio tracks. If you want to hide them, simply click the wrench icon again and disable the waveform option. Turning waveforms on helps you edit more precisely, especially when trimming dialogue or syncing clips. If you don't see the waveform clearly, you can increase the height of the audio track to make it more visible. And that's it. You now know how to turn on and off waveform display in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.